I'm gonna ask you the same question. If public service is a sacrifice, ba't pinahihirapan mo yung sarili mo?
If this is, you know, what I'm going through now, and yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon, compared sa mga tao na tinutulong namin, this is easy compared to what they have to go through. This is nowhere near as hard. And I've never considered, I mean, mahirap naman talaga kasi nakakapagod, ang dami mong ginagawa. You know, being a public servant is a mentally and physically taxing thing. But hardship and poverty far outweigh that of a tired day, or that of a mentally exhausting process, or kahit anong ginagawa mo na mahirap. So, you know, you have to think about it relatively. Politics and public service may be a hardship, but it's nothing compared to the hardship that the people are going through. So once you think of it like that, madali lang yung ginagawa mo. And like I said, the feeling that I've gotten from helping people is the best feeling I've ever had in my life. Better than anything I've ever done. So it's well, madali lang.